Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's been going on here in August as we head into the fall. As you can see behind me, we've moved into our new facility here. We're gonna have a lot bigger shop space, a lot more room to carry inventory, which is great because with all the supply chain problems that have been going on, we've been able to keep a very healthy stock, a very healthy inventory, and are still able to offer our same free 7 to 10 day shipping across the US and across Canada on most of all our standard items and our premium kits. So we're so grateful for you guys and your support that allows us to keep that inventory, so you can expect that same free shipping to continue. Excited about that, as well as we have some new payment options for all of those in Canada. You now have the option to pay with PayBright, which is a finance option that allows you to pay for these premium kits in 2, 3, 4, and 6 month increments, and that's soon to come to the US as well. So excited about that. Also, very soon, if not the time you're watching this video, we will be accepting crypto payments in Bitcoin and Ethereum and many others. A lot of you guys have been asking about that as well. That's something that's coming to our platform. So stay tuned and check out lightingdoctor.ca for that, as well as some things that we have coming this fall, which are really cool. We're working with a company that is based in Canada here, so we know that their lights are made here. They're gonna endure the winters, but permanent Christmas lights, and an easy do-it-yourself solution, because a lot of you might have gotten quotes on that and can be quite expensive to go and get that installed, but we've come up with a very simple process to install those lights, manage them all by your phone, and then you have permanent Christmas lights forever to add color to your house and all those kinds of things, because we know some of the color options out there are expensive. This is just another tool you can have, as well as being a huge golf nut. I'm excited that we'll soon be offering indoor putting greens, just something for those colder climates. If you still need something to do in the winter, now you got permanent Christmas lights, soon indoor putting greens as well, which again is going to be a very simple, easy do-it-yourself design. So be sure to go to YouTube, search Lighting Doctor, indoor putting greens, permanent Christmas lights. We're gonna have a whole bunch of new videos, as well as any questions you guys have about landscape lighting. Start getting them in, because as we move to our new facility, it also gives us the ability to go create a whole ton new videos and answer a bunch of your questions, show you guys some of the new fixtures that we're bringing in line too, which are going to be even better. They're coming out with more and more all the time, so we're so excited about that. Be sure to stay subscribed to our YouTube channel for all the updates. And for this month until August 15th, there's a coupon code below. Use coupon code What's New to save additional some additional discounts on any of the premium kits and stuff that we offer. And again, so grateful for your guys' support. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thanks again.